Hi, today's question is, how is estate planning affected if a surviving spouse remarries? So today you will learn what can happen if your spouse remarries, the problems that can arise in a remarriage situation, and how you can avoid these problems. Hi, I'm attorney Robert Pecori. I've been helping families with estate planning and elder law matters for 29 years now in the Pittsburgh area. Before I answer the question, keep in mind, if you have joint assets owned with your spouse, they are by right of survivorship. So if your house, your bank accounts, your cars, everything is jointly held with your spouse, and you die, there's not going to be a probate estate of your assets. Your surviving spouse has full control and can do what they wish with those assets. In a typical estate planning situation, you have a will that names your spouse as primary and vice versa, and then maybe the kids are secondary, and you probably have your spouse named as the beneficiary on your IRA or your life insurance. And this usually works just fine. But remember, if a spouse remarries, they do have the power to change the estate plan. So they can, in effect, leave everything to the new spouse and exclude your kids if they make that choice. Most are okay with this, and they trust that their spouse is not going to do that and that the kids will always be taken care of, but not always. In my business, I've seen it all. So if this is something that's important to you, you need to plan for it now. And the way you would do that is leave your kids specific assets that you have in your name that are not owned with your spouse. You can also use life insurance or name them possibly a beneficiary on your IRA. This type of planning is common in second marriage situations where one or both spouses have kids from a prior relationship. They typically will leave a spouse a percentage of assets and the kids another percentage, or again, use life insurance or IRA beneficiary. The key is have a discussion with your spouse now and make sure your wishes will be followed. If you don't think that they're going to be and you don't trust your spouse to follow through, then you need to plan accordingly right now with your existing estate plan. For more information about estate planning, please visit my website at pecorielderlaw.com. You can set up a free consult on there whenever you're ready. Thanks for watching today. Don't forget to subscribe or leave your questions and comments below, and I'll be happy to answer them. Have a good day.